Hi friends, this is Dr. Sandy. So now today's session, what I'm going to explain with the help of my channel, how we have to develop the code, how we have to develop the code related to logical operations, 16-bit logical operations with the help of MASM software, followed by DOSBox tool. See, once we open the DOSBox tool, see my screen. See now the DOSBox tool was open. Here in DOSBox tool, you have a Z drive, but in my computer, I installed the MASM software. It is in a what is that? C drive. So that I'm going to convert Z drive into C drive. For that, I'm going to use the command mount space C colon front slash 8086, because 8086 microprocessor is a 16-bit microprocessor. Here also we are going to develop the code which is related to 16-bit, so that I am using here 8086 microprocessor. Then you type C colon, press enter. Then Z drive is converted into C drive. So now I'm going to enter into the DOS box. Okay, so that for that I'm using the command edit space file name, edit space file name dot asm. The file name should be always dot asm, because here in MASM software we are using assembly language program. Assembly language program short form dot asm. Okay, press enter. Now DOS box is open. So first command assume here code segment. For that I'm using cs colon code. So once we type the cs, then we have to give the expansion. Cs, what is the expansion of cs? Code segment. What is the third step? In C language, we are going to open void main open brace. Like that in C language, we have to use. In MASM software, we are going to use a start colon org. I mean origin space starting address. I'm giving 1000. So where we have to start the program in 1000 location. So here 1000 is act as a memory address. I mean memory locations. First input I'm giving move space AL. I'm using 8-bit register. So 05. So that I'm using AL comma 05H. So wherever you are typing the data should be in the form of H. So here H indicate hexadecimal. If you forget, then it will generate the error. The second input I'm giving move space BL 8-bit. BL is act as 8-bit register comma 02 H. Second input I given, second input is 02, first input is 05. Okay na? Right? Then I'm going to use the first logical operations and operations. Everyone we are very familiar. And operations, and operation is nothing but a multiplication operation. So and space AL comma BL. So keep in mind, every one of you friends, and means it will perform a multiplication operation. So AL and BL. So how it will perform the multiplication operation? What is the binary value of 05? What is the binary value of 02? Then this microprocessor, it will consider in the form of binary format, then it will multiply, then it will convert it into decimal format. Such a operation will happen internally. Okay. After typed and operation, then I'm going to use or operation. For that I'm giving the command, input command move space AL comma 0 AL comma 05 H. Okay, 05 H. Next I'm using the command or or operation or space AL comma BL. So or operation, we know that addition operation. Or operation, if we can use or operation or logical operation, it will perform addition operation. Next I'm going for XOR operation. For that I'm using first command. Say first what we have to do, input. We have to develop the input. For that what I'm using here move space AL. Here AL is act as a 8-bit register. Comma I'm giving again. I'm giving the value 8-bit value. So 05H. Then I'm using the command XOR operation. So XOR space AL comma BL. Okay, AL comma BL XOR. So or so it will perform whatever the operation it will perform for OR gate, it will just invest to that XOR operations, right? Then after that, then terminate the program. For that I'm using the command int space 03 H. Int is act as a interrupt program. Once we type this command, then the program is going to be terminated. Then already in the first step, see the first step we declared CS, no. So that also we have to terminate. For that I'm going to use code ends. Then we started here program also we started, no. That also going to be terminate. For that I'm using command. See every one of you. See code ends. Code space end ends. Then after that end start. End start. So once the program was typed, then again say go to fine. This is again the normal procedure. Go to file and click save. Again go to file and press exit. Okay. Then now normal step. Now we are going to compile the program. For that I'm using command masm space file name dot asm, right? So compile the program. There is no error. There is no severe error. There is no warning error. So the program was perfect. Right. Next, I'm going to convert the program in the object, say object format. So that I'm using the command link space file name dot obj semicolon obj semicolon. Okay, right. So semicolon. If you forgot to keep semicolon, it will come a number of steps. So for that, I'm using semicolon. Unnecessary steps is going to be avoided. So next, I'm going to execute the program. For that, I'm using the command debug space file name dot exe execute. Now program was executed. So I'm going to see the output. For that I'm using the command G. G is nothing but go. Press enter. Okay, clear. Then if you want to see the program, this is output actually. If you want to see the program on this particular black color screen, you may able to see that. So, but if you want to see, you just keep in mind every one of your friends, whatever the starting address you typed in the program, that should be typed here, u space 1000. So in program we give 1000, so that here we have to type u space 1000. Okay. Right. If see, now you may able to see the program on the screen. So once you want to come out from this program, then you press Q. Q is nothing but quit. Press enter. Yes, now we come out from the program. So now if you want to close this entire DOS box, then type exit, exit. Otherwise, if you want to go to the next program, then edit, type edit, for example, new program, new dot asm. If you type, then it will go to DOS box. So here we developed a logical operation. So that I'm going to do what I'm going to do. I'm closing this DOS box tool. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching, friends. Please follow my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please comment, please. Thank you.